Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hot chocolate milk with Hershey syrup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate syrup, 8 ounces of your favorite milk, and a small saucepan. Don't forget a whisk to mix everything smoothly and your favorite mug for serving. This quick guide will help you create a warm, comforting drink in just a few minutes, perfect for any time of day. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. Pour your 8 ounces of milk into the saucepan. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate syrup directly into the milk. Using your whisk, stir the mixture constantly over medium heat. Keep whisking until the hot chocolate is steaming and thoroughly heated through, but do not let it boil. This ensures a smooth, rich flavor without scorching the milk. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated, carefully pour it into your favorite mug. This is where you can get creative. Consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a handful of mini marshmallows for an extra treat. Stir gently to combine any toppings, then find a cozy spot to relax. This homemade hot chocolate is a delightful way to warm up on a chilly day or simply enjoy a sweet moment. Your delicious homemade hot chocolate milk is now ready to enjoy. Take a moment to savor the rich, chocolatey flavor you've created. Feel free to experiment with different types of milk, like oat milk or whole milk, to discover your preferred taste and texture. For more great tips and to enhance your home experience, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.